What's good, gang? Back with another little update. I told y'all gonna be with me every step of the way of this build, so I'm gonna get right to it. I know y'all tired of seeing this floor, and y'all tired of seeing this busted, rusted floor. I got somebody coming to give me an estimate on what they'll charge me to put this new floor pan in. I got the 84 Landau that I bought for all parts. 1500 for 1500. Came with the whole floor pan. Somebody coming that's gonna give me an estimate on doing the work, and they gonna do it at the house. You know what I'm saying? So if I choose to go with them, you're gonna see the process. But yeah, I'm just giving y'all a little update real quick on what's about to happen and what's about to go down. Cause like I say, slow motion is better than no motion, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. We getting it rolling. So we're gonna take care of this floor, then everything else we're gonna sort out. And do this shit as a stepping stone, like I told y'all. But y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. So I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna cut it back on once the guys show up and see what he talking about, and we're gonna go from there.
The line,
Yep.
line. Okay, and this is this part. Remove.
Yeah, the whole floor. Yeah,
Okay.
the whole floor. That floor has everything that needs to be.
Okay.
Yeah.
I Saturday free.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, that works. That works.
Okay. This remove, no?
Yeah, it's already
Okay.
removed. Yeah.
Okay. Only well.
Yes.
Only well.
Only-
I can paint. You buy the.
By the
Yeah.
stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
No problem for me.
All right. And as far as like the work, how much?
How much? I estimate in test, no?
Yeah, I think you said between 8 to 1200.
Yeah. I look.
Yeah, guys, I told you we're getting it done. 1100. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
The Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
What time?
9 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Works for me.
Okay.
Works.
Okay.
All right. Slow motion better than no motion. We're getting it done. Got my guy right here. We're gonna come Saturday. We're gonna get the new floor pan in. I'm gonna show y'all the process. Like I told y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. And just like that, we got the quote. We got everything that we need. We got the floor. All I need to do is get the paint for the floor, the waterproof, so this rust won't come back, and we can have a pretty looking floor, even though we're gonna be sitting on it. But like I said, you know what I'm saying? Slow motion is better than no motion. So we got the quote. We got the floor pan. We got the whole floor pan. It's already cut out, as you can see. So we good to go. He gonna come Saturday about 9 o'clock in the morning and install it into the 87 Caprice. Yeah, let's go. Listen, hey, I'm ready. I told y'all, listen, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. That's all I can say. You know what I'm saying? To the end. So you see how it look right now. Wait till we get everything popping and everything stocking and rocking and locking, and we're gonna do it like that. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, so when I drop these videos, you tuned in and you can see the update of what I'm doing to the 87 Landau. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, this was just a quick little update video. Nothing too much. It might be boring to some of y'all, I understand, but to the real ones, I'm keeping y'all updated every step of the way, and I'm keeping my promise. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I see y'all Friday, Saturday. Yeah, let go. What's good, gang? Back with another update. It's like 8:40 in the morning. I got my people here doing the floor pan work. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna keep y'all updated every step of way of this build. So right now, they cutting out the old floor. We got the new floor right here. But man, listen, we already getting to work. Slow motion better than no motion. We getting everything squared away. My guy pulled up on me with all his material, everything. Floor pan here, gonna do all the welding, get everything taken in. Oh man, I told y'all, slow motion is better than no motion. I'm in having that motion right now, and I'm able to get this shit done how it need to be. So, like I say, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So when I drop these videos, you able to see what I got going on. Hey man, I feel happy. One monkey don't stop no show. Like yesterday, we had the rust that we found on the passenger side, which I already knew was rusted out. But I was able to see more when the doors came off. Got my guy doing the work. And that little rusted hole part down there, everything looking good. Everything looking good. We working. If you see they working, we getting it done. One step closer to the finished project. Everything is a stepping stone. That's just what it is in life. Stay tuned. Another update showing y'all ain't no games being played. We got everything going Let me get out their way so he can do what he need to do. We right here in the yard with it. Right here in the yard. But that's what I love about people that's willingly ready to work and don't play about their work. Pull up, doing what he gotta do, and we getting it done. I'm happy. 1100, that's what it cost me. I told you I'm gonna update y'all and let y'all know every step of the way. People don't normally do that. Maybe I might be paying too much. I don't know. I don't feel like I am. Could it be cheaper? Could be. Who knows? But it is what it is. I can't argue with the man price. His price is his price. We're gonna see when the work is done. Let's get to it.
My Instagram.
Yes, sir. It's in there, baby. He still have to weld. I'm talking like I'm Spanish. He still have to weld, but we getting it in there. Yes, sir. I keep telling y'all, no games being played on this 87 Landau. It look a lot better. You seen rust, now you don't see no rust. Whole good floor right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, stay tuned. I done had on the same clothes for 2 days, but don't worry about that. Y'all know what we do to rust? We put that shit in the trash. We put that shit in the trash. I don't really think y'all understand what's partaking, what's really going down. It might not be big to y'all, but it's big to me. Pause. All I'm gonna say, just look at this. Ooh-wee! New floor pan me, shouty. Man, my guy Lewis done came through, welded me all the way in. We got the whole floor pan welded all the way in. All the way in. We got the seam sealer around there. I'm gonna make it look a little prettier. I gotta let this dry. I'm gonna take a grinder wheel and clean everything up and then paint it with some of that rust inhibitor. I told y'all, I'm doing what I need to do to get this car going for how I want it to look. We got the floor pans replaced. We got the floor pan replaced. The whole floor pan replaced. Man, look at this shit. Now we got sunlight. Got the door switched out. Got that rust hole that was right there fixed. You can't even tell where it was at. Got that fixed. Got little spots up in there fixed. We working, man. We working. So, like I was telling y'all yesterday, while he was fixing the driver's side of the door, we came over here to the passenger side, got everything taken off, and it was more rust. I'm finna show y'all. So we rusted out right there. So what's gonna have to happen is that's gonna have to get cut off to right here on the A pillar, remove and weld it back in. I know it sounds like a lot, but that's what gotta be done. It gotta be done, but it ain't a lot, and it can be fixed. So I'm gonna just show y'all. Just like right here, this the parts car. cut it off right here, go down there and replace it. But I'm not gonna actually use this one, but it's not too bad though, but it is bad. But I'm not gonna use that one. I got a new part coming from Chevy Boy 89. Shout out to Chevy Boy 89, man. He's great help. I'm talking about, I done shop with him ever since I done bought my 87 Landau, and man, he got the parts you need. If you ain't, like I done said before, if you ain't got the bag and ain't ready to purchase and ain't ready to hit the number of what he want for the part, don't even hit him up. But have your bag ready. Floor pan fixed, everything good. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, so when I drop these bangers, y'all can see the videos and keep updated with me, man. Over and out. Appreciate y'all for watching.